You here for some crypto charts? I got you. You want the news with that? Well, I don't either, but he's got you. Hey everyone, my name's Dan and I cover everything from altcoins to NFTs. Now, I can't give out investment advice, but I can tell you what seems legit. Helen, is my hot pocket ready? These news fellas are coming on the computer screen. Unless you're new to crypto or just live under a slab of concrete, you probably heard about all the institutions buying up Bitcoin, with one of the most recent being Metaplanet. You can think of these guys as a Japanese version of MicroStrategy, and they just completed buying 1 billion yen worth of BTC. Now, what in the wide world of sports is that worth in American money? That's just over $6.5 million, but that's not all. Non-degenerate investors are still foaming at the mouth for more BTCs. It was reported on July 23rd by CryptoSlate that institutional ETFs saw nearly $1 billion worth of inflows over a 4-day period between the 19th and the 22nd. Now, of course, BlackRock's iShares ETF got more than half of that by totaling over 640 million, but by the looks of that chart, it doesn't look like everybody else is doing too bad either. All right, no more hip-hopping and bebopping. Let's get to the chart. Look who's doing the chart. Huh? Huh? Huh?
Absolutely not. Get off the stage. Where's Derivatives Dan at?
Come on, man, it'll be funny. You know he cut up a roll of quarters 2 weeks ago because he thought we were saying bits of coin? We should take him to the US Treasury. He'd probably have a field day. All right, look, right now, Bitcoin is like trying to get your drunk friend up the escalator. First off, the idiot's on the wrong one, because Bitcoin keeps bouncing down with these lower lows and these lower highs, while you're trying to ride back up to the all-time high. So let's slap in our support and resistance here. According to our volume profile, we can see it's 68K, said no way. Then you got RSI down here, and he's like your quiet friend getting blasted by himself in the corner, because all he's really doing is confirming these price movements. But a sharp move above the 50, that's pretty cool though. All right, so make it make sense. Now we got this nice little pattern right here. It ain't quite one of them bull flags, but it does look like a nice broad and wedge pattern. And they normally break high. We also got support right here at 63.5, which, if it holds, we could bounce high, break this yellow fella, and send to a new all-time high. But if that moron keeps trying to climb up that down escalator, he's going to wind up falling over and barfing on himself all the way down to about 58 or 52K. Oh, I did do that one time. And yeah, you do fall over a little bit. So in other news, Solana's been doing pretty all right for itself. They've been giving other chains a run for their titles by beating out Tron and Near Protocol by daily active addresses again. Could just be another blip, but they have been outperforming Ethereum on DEX trading volumes pretty consistently in July. And the $900 billion asset manager Hamilton Lane is starting a private credit fund on Solana. And Van Eck and 21 Shares have both filed for Solana ETFs earlier this month. Now I thought that Solana coin died. Boy, I said Solana, not salami. Helen, can you feed this thing? I already ate my hot pocket. All right, let's get to the price action with Derivatives Dan. Solana's like your buddy that didn't drink away all his brain cells, but he still got you wondering what's going on upstairs. We built this nice little reversal pattern right here, but he says, you know what, screw it. I'm gonna go up top this bad boy. We get a break of this yellow fella, and he's gonna sit right on that $170 support. Then you got RSI and OBV down here that drive straight through Snap City to get to this party. All right, so what's the verdict? Well, we got a pretty good chance of ripping up to this red box at 205, but we really want to see RSI push over that 70 level for a show of strength. Now, if we don't fall down here and we retake at 205 and turn it into support, we're going to go back to the price levels of the good old FTX days. Only this time we don't have the AV Club doing multi-million-dollar accounting on dirty fast food napkins. I bet that whole place just smelled like straight BO. You want one more fun little chart? Look at this. This is Solana Weekly. Sure looks familiar from July of 3 years ago. Nice little reversal pattern failure. Nice little bounce on the 50 line of the RSI. Not investment advice. All right, all you bros and babes. I hope everybody got something out of this week's episode. And look, if you missed anything up, slap on the caps lock and let me know down in the comments. But if you like what we do here at Seems Legit Research, give me a like and subscribe so I can quit working with an intern that thinks cutting up quarters is the same as buying Bitcoin.